Hello, this is Conversa Solutions, and welcome to our quick overview of the Reports and Activities page. The Reports and Activity page provides important information about your company. If you run a report, an Excel file with the information you selected will be downloaded to your computer. This report can be used to examine data on projects, devices, and more. In order to see your Reports and Activities page, just go to the link here on the left-hand side of your Ensemble company screen. From here, you will see the three different types of reports: organization, company, and project reports. Organization reports are the most wide scale of the reports that you can run. When you run these reports, it will run all of the data not just for your company, but for every company under your organization's umbrella. So you can choose to view the report of the companies under that organization, the projects created under that organization, the devices and licenses added to it, as well as the users that have been added to companies that are under this organization. If you do not have an organization over your company, this is what you will see. As you can see, you only are able to create company and project reports. Company reports are the next level down in terms of creating a report. You can export the data for any company under your organization if you are able to view them. You can choose them in this drop-down box here. Once you have selected the company, you can export the projects that are on that company, the devices that have been added, a list of the content that has been added, such as pictures, PDF files, and things like that, as well as the licenses that have been added to this company. Project reports are the most narrowly focused reports that you can run from this page. These reports can be selected to be run on any project that you have access to. So, if you can view multiple companies under your organization, you can choose any project from the drop-down menu that are on any of those companies. You can view the reports that generate the devices on the project selected, the content on that project, and the licenses that are applied to that project. While on this page, you can also see the user activity for the current company. This table shows a log of different changes that have been made to the company using the Ensemble Management Portal. You can see the following information here: what user made the change, what project, if any, was affected, what the change was, and when the change occurred. You can also use this search bar to search for a specific activity and narrow it down by the user, the project, the type of change, and the time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to stay up to date with any future releases and tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@ensemblemdm.com. Thank you and have a fantastic day.